Hi, my name is Wudipun Hengwatana, an economics student at Prince of Songkla University. I'm passionate about using technology to build stronger, sustainable community, which is exactly why I draw to the OR sitting, the future camp. I see OR not just as a company, but as a massive platform for positive change with thousands of touch points like PTT station and Cafe Amazon. OR connect with million dairy. I want to learn from OR Academy how to skill impactful idea and empower local community. This can provide the exact knowledge I need to turn my vision into reality. The big idea oasis, the biggest challenge in climate action is the feeling of helplessness that our small action don't matter. My idea, oasis, small action, big impact, is designed to fix that. Imagine uh, when you use your own table or charge your EV, you earn seat in the OR app. That is then put into the collective community seed bank to fund real world project we can all track. Uh, for example, our combined seeds could fund the planting of a mangrove forests along Thailand coastline to protect local community from erosion or help farmers develop skill and in sustainable agriculture to improve their crop yield and income. Creating a stronger partnership with Cafe Amazon. This transform millions of individual choice into a powerful collective force for good, making sustainability a shared and rewarding mission. Future impact. If selected, I am committed to applying the knowledge from this camp to my future. This experience is the perfect opportunity to grow. Thank you for your time and consideration.